Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set your own live wallpapers on macOS. Alright, let's begin. First, open the App Store on your PC by searching for it. Once done, get to the search bar at top left corner and type in Dynamic Wallpaper Library. Next, a bunch of apps will be displayed. You just need to select the first app tile and download it. After that, open the app and a library of live wallpapers will appear in front of you. From here, select the wallpaper you would like to download and click on the download button. Once it's done, select the target display from the top and then select Setup. As you can see, the live wallpaper has been applied successfully. So that's basically how you can set your own live wallpapers on macOS. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.